Hello guys, today I am going to talk about how we can expand our career in IT, especially focusing on network and cybersecurity. These two fields are the backbone of modern IT infrastructure and often strong career growth for the opportunity. Why choose IT as a career? IT is one of the fastest growing career fields in the world. So every company today depends on the technology, whether it's banking, healthcare, education, or any other tech means company. So what IT offers? So IT offers high job demands, good salary growth, global opportunities, and continuous learning. If you like problem solving and learning new technology, it is a great career choice. So this is the overview of networking career. Networking is the foundation of IT. It is all about connecting computers, servers and devices so they can communicate with each other. Without networking, emails would not work, website would not load, application would not communicate, and also your WhatsApp will also not work without the networking. So network professionals designs, manage and troubleshoot these connections in offices, data centers and the cloud environments. So for the networking career roles, there are many roles in networking depending on experience. Some common roles are network engineer, network administrator, NOC engineer, wireless engineer, and network architect, that is the senior level job. So as you gain more experience, you can grow into senior roles like network architect, where you design large and complex network. So essential networking skills. To build a career in the networking, strong fundamentals are very important. You need to understand how data moves in a network, TCP/IP and OSI model, routing and switching concepts, WLAN and wireless basics, and what is firewall and VPN basics. Along with theory, troubleshooting skills are very important in the real world environments. So popular networking certifications. Certifications helps validate your skills and improve job opportunities. Some popular networking certificates are CCNA and CCNB from Cisco, Network Plus from Cambodia, Junior certifications, Fortinet, NSE, NSE1, NSE2, Aruba and Huawei certifications, also the Palo Alto, that is PSNSE. These certifications helps you learn structures, concepts and make you profile stronger in the IT industry. So guys, thank you for watching my video.